Welcome to our AO studio floor plan. The kitchen comes equipped with full-size stainless steel appliances, a desk area, plenty of cabinet space as well. This is 395 square feet. We're currently standing in the model. Wood style flooring, no carpet throughout. That gives you an idea of all the great things that you can do with this floor plan. There's your closet area, as well as a place for you to mount your television. As we go through here, we will make our way into the bathroom area. We have your stackable washer and dryer, storage space, very nice and open, very spacious. Again, this is our AO studio floor plan. Please visit fremont9.com for all of the pricing and availability.